Hello and welcome to this RCI tutorial video. In this video, we'll walk through the steps involved with viewing and then editing or changing a facilitator's details. So, to use an example, as an ODP, you might be contacted by a facilitator who tells you that they've got a new email address or new contact telephone number. In either case, you as the ODP would change these details for the facilitator. So to get going, we'll say we've been contacted by a facilitator who has a new email address and new contact telephone numbers. As the ODP, we now need to locate this facilitator's account from the ODP dashboard and then change their details. As you can probably see here, we're starting from the ODP main dashboard. You can tell this by the ODP account heading here. The first thing to do is to identify the service the facilitator is within. To do this, I'll go down to the list of services here, and as you can probably see, there is one service currently set up. If you come to do this, all of the services set up within your organization will be listed right here. So this one service we have here is called RCI Video Tutorial Service, and it was set up just for this video. This is the service our facilitator is within. So the next thing to do is to go over here on the right hand side and click on this View Edit Details button for this service. And I'll do this now. We're brought to a new page where this service's details are presented here. And the facilitators that have been set up within this service are listed further down the page in this List of Facilitators table here. And again, just for this tutorial video, we've got one facilitator set up within this service, as you can see here. To view and then edit this facilitator's details, we'll go over here to the far right column in this table and click on the View Edit Details button here. So I'll do this now. This page we've been brought to is where we can now change this facilitator's details. So if I scroll down the page, you can see here on the left side we have Summary of Facilitator's Details, and below that is where all of the facilitator's information is. So we've got the facilitator's first name, last name, email address, landline number, mobile number, and the date they completed the RCI training. Our goal here is to change this facilitator's email address and telephone numbers. So the information already entered here was entered purely for this video, but we'll change this information now anyway. We'll say that this facilitator is now using the email address rcifacilitator3@gmail.com instead of rcifacilitator2@gmail.com. To change this, we'll click inside this field, delete part of the email address, and type in the new one. If you went to do this, you can delete the whole email address and type in the new one. So I'll go ahead and do this now. Next, we want to change the landline number and mobile number. To do this, we'll click inside both fields, delete the numbers that are already there, and type in the new ones. So I'll do this now for both of the numbers. Okay, so now that we've changed both the email address and telephone numbers, we can go down here and click on the Save Changes button to save this new information for this facilitator. And I'll do that now. After clicking that button, the page updates and we receive this Facilitator updated message here. If I scroll back down the page, you'll see the information we just entered is now saved for this Facilitator. And so, at this point, we're all done. We've updated the Facilitator's details, and we can now log out of the ODP account. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as always, if you have any questions, please contact the RCI development team.